Just a quick follow-up on the Chrome profile video. It turns out that when you do this, go to your Chrome profile icon and you click settings or add, it pops up another window, this window over here, and this is where you would add. So it was working, it just, when you're in full screen mode, that window over X seems to go to the underneath, so you don't see it. But then you can add an account here, so we'll add something. See if I can remember an account. And again, it's still slow over X, but sign in. There used to be a thing that says create account, but I guess that's on a different flow, so you have to sign in here or continue without an account. I don't even understand that one. That one you just give it a name, and I guess Google tries its best to save things. I don't know, it must create a virtual account for you. Oh, but that's probably very confusing. Oh, there you can create an account right here. So I will use some account that I know about. Yeah, you can create an account here if you want. And if this works, then we got 2 accounts on this Chrome instance. What you can do is simply get a Chromebook, and then everything is much simpler, because all of this account and profile is built into Chrome OS, and obviously Google was testing it before it was in Chrome OS. And now another thing that we have to do. We gotta thank Google for all of this security. Thank you, Google. And put in a code here. Should have sent me a code, but it doesn't seem. Oh, there it is. And we put in the code here. And once you put in your code, it's pretty much useless to anyone. It's going to expire quickly. Then you can flip between accounts, flip between profiles, flip between histories, flip between cookies and bookmarks and all that. So that's what I recommend people use. And then obviously you always turn on sync. Yes, I'm in. The whole point of this thing is to flip between synced items, and you'll see things like this. You'll have one account. When you click here, you can flip between accounts. It opens up another Chrome instance. As far as we know, every single tab is another process, so this is not more expensive than anything else. Chrome is already doing a good thing, and then you can customize your colors and things like that. And I always just take the defaults. So see, now I'm flipped to this one, and then I can flip to the other one. And again, as I said, don't use these inside of here. Use the Chrome profile. I have to thank Dan, a friend of mine, for pointing this out many years ago, and now I'm the biggest user of it. So thank you and peace out.